Okay, this is my phase 2 of my term project for the big data class this summer. As mentioned in phase 1, we're going to use book data from Goodreads that have the top 10,000 books with all the ratings and all of the tagging for that. That includes users tagging books by genre or by subject. It also includes all of the user ratings for all of those books. So looking at the data and looking at it for potential analysis, there's actually quite a bit that we can do, but in particular I wanted to highlight that for the books we can look at things like rating distributions per book and how those ratings are distributed by the different genres and the different tags. We can also get the top books for each rating, for each tag, that kind of thing. For the tags, we can get the number of books per tags and the average number of books of tags per book, going both ways on that. We can also look at the reviews, and we can see the average number of reviews per book, but also the average number of reviews per user. We can see how active a user is in giving their reviews, and we can actually look at their trends over time as to how they're rating books based on the genre. So if this person particularly likes maybe science fiction books, maybe their ratings are higher than if they read a mystery novel. Because they like science fiction books more, their ratings potentially would be higher, so on and so forth. So we can start doing some of that kind of analysis as well. So in looking at those, that's just some really quick items. And looking at those, really how this is going to break down from a technology selection standpoint is that for the basic aggregations, like the number of ratings per book, or the number of ratings per user, how many ratings each user is given, user ratings per genre, that kind of stuff. Those basic aggregations we'll do through MapReduce. For anything more advanced, things like doing the trend lines, so trying to do that detection of whether a user is, what genre they like more than others based on their ratings and things like that. For those kind of analysis, we'll go ahead and use Spark for that. That will just give us a little bit more flexibility. So that is the end of this phase 2 presentation. We're going to keep moving forward and actually start into some implementation.